हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स वेरी वेलकम टू अनदर डिस्कशन विद एसडी। मैं हूं एसडी शानंदु दास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट। In this video we are going to take a look at the fertilizer sector stocks, and fertilizer sector stocks I'm going to look via my fountain of gold setup. To create the setup, I need to go to indicators SD Rainbow Wave V1 and SD RSI X. These two will create the fountain of gold setup. In the fountain of gold setup, SD Rainbow V1, I'm selecting cash stocks weekly setup. This is for stock selection in the weekly chart. Then we apply the daily chart to decide when to enter or exit a particular stock. Now, first I'm taking a look at agrophosphate, and from this chart and the scorings, it is clear that this stock is not satisfying our criteria, that is strength score 70, RS status rising or speeding bull or extreme bull, speed score greater than 10, then only the stock will be selected. Otherwise, the stock will be rejected. Like Chambal fertilizers with the red candle, नॉट द स्कोर्स, राइट साइड टेबल जो स्कोर है वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा है, तो चंबल फर्टिलाइजर से भी मैं कुछ नहीं, मेरा आई वोंट इन्वेस्ट इन चंबल फर्टिलाइजर एट ऑल. Coromandel International is the next one. We can see the sell signal, fading momentum. This stock is risky to remain. It can go for a bigger decline towards 1400 area. That will be a close to 200 rupees drop. So we have to be careful with the Coromandel International. Next, we are looking at Deepak Fertilizer. This stock is also not satisfying the criteria. Background has turned yellow. RS status is fading bull. Only strength is satisfying, whereas speed and RS is not satisfying. Then we are looking at Deepak Nitride. From the RSI structure, it is clear that this stock is not good. Also, the reading is making it clear the stock is not ready for any kind of investment. Same goes with FSCT, Fact Limited, bearish. Let's look at GNFC, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals, bad phase, red background, will reject the stock. Gujarat State Fertilizer GSFC is similar, going down. So overall, I can see this fertilizer sector is not well. Be it Khaitan Chemicals is the same, bearish. Then we have Krishna Phosphate Chemical. Now this is going down too, so we'll avoid this stock. Next, we are looking at Madras Fertilizer, similar structure, failure. This stock will not be in my, as not satisfying my rule, so I'll stay away from this stock. Same for Mangalore Chemicals and Fertilizers. Strength score is not there. Background is yellow. This score is this stock is in a range. We will avoid this stock as well. Madhya Bharat Agro MBAP is giving a very early buy signal, but we don't take these buy signals as the strength score is not there yet. So with this buy signal, we can only place trackers like one or two few stocks to keep a check on the progress of the stock. But overall, to do significant investment, MBAP is not ready. Then we are looking at Nagarjuna, similar structure. The stock is not at all ready. We are looking at National Fertilizer, sell signal ke baad gradually the stock is failing. This is the sell signal. Next, we are looking at Paradip Phosphate. It gave some early hint that it can go up, but currently it has moved back again. Could not break out. Breaks is not sustaining. So any entry crossing up would be above this level, and in front there is 100 psychological level, so above 100 level it would be a fair idea to get into that stock. Next, we are looking at Rama Phosphate, earnings coming up for this stock, but once this stock closes up above this level, 216 to 220, then only it will be interesting, but it also has resistance coming up. This is the resistance. Even if it breaks higher, 240 will be a major resistance to watch out for. This stock is not ready. Maybe with earnings, it will break higher. But at this point, this stock is not at all ready. It may gain in future. I want to place an alert above 215 that the stock is crossing up. Next, we are looking at RCF or Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers. The stock is steadily going lower. We don't want to remain invested in such a stock. Last one is the Seco Industries from the fertilizer segment. It is also bad. No point remaining in a stock like this. So that's all, friends. Overall, we took a quick look at the fertilizer segment. I hope this discussion was helpful to you. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading.